పీటీవీ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. ఇక డీటెయిల్స్ చూస్తే
So it's even started in June, May 21st की curtain raiser इकडे collectorate లో start చేసాం and 21st की we have ended at King's Medical College. So throughout 1 month it was a very hectic activity. So from it's like very new thing happened. So it's basically ఏం చెప్పాలంటే ఒక అలవాటుని ఇంకల్కేట్ చేయడానికి గవర్నమెంట్ ట్రై చేసింది. సో మన జిల్లాలో ఉన్న పాపులేషన్ చూసుకుంటే దగ్గర 16-17 లక్షలు ఉంటారు. అందులో రఫ్లీ 8 lakhs members, so half of the district population, so we could try to do actually some yoga with them. We could try to inculcate some sense of health awareness for create cheyadam jarigindi. So with all your support, so I thank one and all. JC being a nodal officer did a good job along with RDO, collectorate staff, DRO, each one of you, all NPDOs, Tahsildars, municipal commissioners, each one of you did your job excellently. That's the reason we are right now here. And most of the events which you have organized in Vadapalli, Draksharamam and Antarvedi, they are like exceptional events. We have tried to gather roughly around 3,000 to 4,000 population. So from various groups nunchi gather cheyadam jarigindi. We have tried to involve pillal nunchi peddavalla daka, almost from 10 years nunchi 70 years varaku andarni involve cheyadam jarigindi. It's a very good event. So 1 month event anedi general ga jaragadu, but it happened in a good manner and finally ended in a good way. So I thank each one of you for your support in this cause. Thank you.